Hello everyone, welcome to Educo Career. We're back again with free LinkedIn certification courses without any ATM card numbers, bank details, and etc. Just if you have a LinkedIn account, then you can start learning these courses and you will get certification also here. LinkedIn certificates are one of the most valuable certificates. You can add them to your resume also. In this video, we are going to introduce 10 different courses. So without delaying, let's get started. This is the first course. You can see here, become a financial analyst. People who have background of finance and accounting, or else if you are interested in this, you can start this course. Just click here and you will definitely get certification also. And next course is become a data analyst. See, learn the technical skills for data analyst career paths, develop your competencies in high demand analyst tools, and build communication, teamwork, and problem solving skills and so on in this course. It is nearly 24 hours of course, and if you want to start this course, just click here or else here. Finally, after the completion of this course, you will definitely get certification also. And next course is become a graphic designer. Actually, it is very good course I have done today, you can see. And after the completion of course, you will get certification also. See here, earn your certificate. And next course is become a digital marketing specialist. In this course, you will learn like explore marketing channels like social media and email, practice with hands-on training in Google Analytics and Ads, design marketing materials using the Adobe suites. Actually, it is nearly 27 hours of course. If you want to register this course, click here. And finally, you will get certification also here. If you want to register this course, you can register. And next course is become a software developer. See here, learn foundations of programming for software development, practice with popular technologies like HTML and CSS, explore core languages like Python, JavaScript and Java. It is 29 hours of course. If you want to register this course, register, and after the completion of course you will definitely get certificate. And next course is prepare for the CompTIA Network Plus examinations. In this course you will learn essential networking concept, master techniques to manage and administer a network infrastructure, prepare for the CompTIA Network Plus exam and so on. If you want this, just register this course. After the completion of course, you will get certification also here. Next course is become a project manager. If you are looking to become a project manager, you can register this course and you will learn here. Just click here, and after the completion of this course, see here, you will definitely get certificate. When you are done, you will have a certificate of completion, means you will get a online certification. And next course is become a sales representative. See here, learn how to can be a trusted partner in the sales process, identify negotiation and closing strategies that suits you, develop and hone your interpersonal or soft skills. And it is 7.5 hours of course. If you want to register this course, click here. Finally, you will get certification also here. And final course is become a customer service specialist. In these days, this is very popular actually. If you want to register this course, just you can register. Here also you will get certification after the completion of this course. And I will show my certification. Today I have done one course. This is my certificate. You can see on the screen. If you complete any one or more from these courses, you will get certificate. But condition is at the end of the course there will be a objective type exam. So minimum you have to score 70% above. Otherwise you won't get certificate. But there is no limit to attempting the exam. If you don't get in the first attempt, then start re-exam, score above 70% and get certificate. Thank you for connecting with us. For more free courses and educational information, subscribe our channel and share with your friends.